The Advanced Classwork module is designed to give you further information on how you can streamline your activities on Google Classroom. This includes creating a template for classes, generated comments, creating an assignment for more than one class, and attaching a template document for each assignment. To create a template for classes, you will need to be navigated to your Google Classroom home screen. From here, you will create a new class. Naming this class is enough at this stage. A template class for this demonstration has already been set up. The only step that you have not seen is that we have included topics, because in this case, the topics apply to all the classes we are creating this template for. Now navigate back to your class overview page. Click on the 3 dots on the page you are wanting to duplicate and select Copy. Now you can change your class name and enter any specific details you want. This saves you creating the same Google Classroom for multiple classes. For example, if you have 4 mandatory technology classes, you can set them up more efficiently. Another time-saving strategy is to create generated comments. When you have a class task that is set, you will click into that class task and select the student's work. We have already learnt how to make a comment and a suggestion. Although when marking a range of students' work, you may find the same comments are being made. These comments can be added to your comment bank. By clicking on the comment bank, you can add to bank. You can either enter these individually or add multiple comments by starting a new line. When you are finished, select Add. Once saved, to use these comments, highlight the section of the student work and right-click. To use a generated comment, press the hash key and your options will appear. The next step that we're going to look at is the ability to be able to push out school-wide assessments. When in charge of a year level that is required to complete whole school assessments, you can create an assignment that can be fed out to more than one class. When creating the assignment, click the For drop-down box and select the classes you want to receive the task. The shortfall with this function is that when setting a task for a number of classes, you cannot select for individual students or groups of students to receive a different task. Then when you've completed this, you will be able to assign the task. Another tip, when creating an assignment, it can be easier to create a template for students to use. When you have a resource, you can attach this. In this case, we are attaching a Google Doc using the Drive icon. You need to make sure that you note what students can do with this file. By clicking the drop-down box, you can see there are 3 options. At this stage, we want each student to have their own copy of the template. So we are going to select Make a copy for each student. This way, every student has it set up for them, and any response they make can be observed by the teacher, and the opportunity for teacher feedback is there while students are completing the task. Previously, we showed you how to give students the ability to create their own doc once the assignment has been fed out. But in using a template, we can ensure all students are completing their work on the Google Classroom, instead of being able to use Word and then upload the document when finished. In the same token, you may like to create one file where multiple students are able to edit. This is useful for group tasks or collaborative class tasks. To do this, select Students Can Edit File. Please be mindful, if you insert the file through Google Drive, make a copy before you do so, as when students are editing and they can edit the file, it can change your master.